मुनित्रय प्रार्थना। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतञ्जलिभ्यः शब्दविद्या संप्रदाय प्रवर्तकेभ्यो मुनिभ्यो महद्भ्यो गुरुभ्यः। In this class, we will continue with Nipata Shabdaha. In the earlier two sutras, 127 and 128, Anaya Pranaya iti Shabdau Nipatitau. In the same fashion here also, certain words are being described as Nipatas. Earlier we have discussed this Nipatas. Nipata means whatever scientifically proposed earlier, contrary to that some prayogas are accepted by Panini. Alakshanikam kinchit शास्त्रबद्धं नास्ति किंचित किंतु व्यवहारे सर्वत्र वर्तन्ते इति ते अत्र यथा तथं स्वीकृताः. That is one of the techniques of Panini. So we will take up some Nipata Sutram 3.1.129. Paya Sannaya Nikaya Dhayaha Mana Havihi Nivasa Samidhenishu इति सूत्रम्. अत्र पाय्य सान्नाय्य निकाय्य धायाः, these words, they are nipatitas. यथासंख्यम येषु अर्थेषु मान हविहि निवास सामिधेनि इति एतेषु अर्थेषु एते शब्दाः निपातिताः. यथासंख्यम पाय्य इति शब्दः मानः इति अर्थे निपातितम्. सान्नाय इति हविः इति अर्थे, निकाय इति निवासः इत्यर्थे, धाय्य इति सामिधेनि इत्यर्थे. Mana we know mana means a measure. Havihi the sacrificial fire. Whatever in the sacrificial fire they place in the sacrificial fire, that is called Havihi. Nivasa means residence. Samidheni iti Rigveda Visheshaha, one of the Rig mantras. So here in these Nipatita words there are certain alakshinika karyam, that means not proposed earlier by Shastra. We will take up one by one. Paya iti shabdaha manam ityarthe nipachyate. Atra ma iti dhatuhu, mane iti dhatuhu. Mana means to measure. Ma dhatoho atra ma dhatuhu akaranta dhatuhu. Acho yat iti पूर्वं शास्त्रे निबद्धम् अस्ति. अकारान्त धातुभ्यः यत्तु प्रत्ययो भवति इति उक्तम्. तद् विरुद्धम् अत्र ण्यत्तु प्रत्ययः क्रियते. On ma dhatu against the earlier proposed yattu pratyayah, nyat is being used here. What is the difference between yat and nyat? Same swarupam. Yakaraha, yatmadche yakaraha vartate, nyatmadche yakaraha vartate. Because of that nakara, in addition to it, that creates vruddhi in the dhatu. So here ma is the dhatu. Ma plus yat iti sthite, yat vibhinnena nyat vidhiyate. Ma plus nyat. Then हियर निपातित विषयाः आदेः मा इति शब्दस्य मा इति मा शब्दस्य पा आदेशः क्रियते। तर्हि मा प्लस या इति स्थिते that becomes पा प्लस या। अत्र आकारः पा इति आकारः आकारान्तः आतो युक् चिण् कृतोः इति सूत्रेण अत्र युगागमो भवति आफ्टर आकार। सो आफ्टर पा यकारः आगमः पाय्य भवति। पाय्य प्लस या पाय्यम। पाय्यम मीन्स here it is manam ichartha, a measure. So the nipatita vishayas are for ma, in the place of ma, pa is adesha kritaha, and instead of yat prachayah, which is already ordained earlier, net is being imposed here. The second word is sannaya. Atra ni iti dhatuhu. संपूर्वक नी, सम इति उपसर्ग पूर्वक नी धातुः। नी, दिस इज आल्सो अजंत धातुः। सो इट इज ऑर्डेन्ड एर्लियर यत् प्रत्ययः अचो यत् इति। इंस्टेड ऑफ यत् प्रत्ययः न्यत् इज निपातितम् हियर। सो नी प्लस न्यत्, सम प्लस नी प्लस न्यत्। न्यत् क्रिएट्स गुण। सम प्लस इन द प्लेस ऑफ ईकार ऐकार। Sam plus nai plus ya. Aikara, after aikara, if yakara is there, previously vanto I prachaye iti sutrena yakaradau prachaye okarasya aukarasya av iti adeshau vihitau. Here actually this is aikara. So on aikara there is no yat prachaya ordained earlier. So here, that is, even though it is not ordained earlier, here aya adeshaha nipatitaha. So nai plus ya iti sthite atra nai plus ya, even though aya is not ordained earlier, naya aikarasya ayadeshaha naya. So sam plus naya. Over and above this, sammityasya makarasya dirghaha nipatitaha. Sa, it becomes, sam becomes sa, sannaya iti final rupam. So sannaya iti shabdaha in havihi iti ardhe, it is nipatitam. Now the next word is nikaya. Nikaya iti shabdaha nivasaha iti ardhe nipatitam. Nikaya, here nipurvaka chi dhatuhu. नि उपसर्ग पूर्वक ची धातुः ची चयने इति धातुः. चयन मीन्स सेलेक्शन. निपूर्वक ची धातुः. दिस ची also is ajanta धातुः. यत् is already ordained. In the place of यत् we are going to nipata nyat. So ची plus nyat. नि उपसर्ग ची धातुः nyat. So ची, it creates वृद्धि. ची becomes chai. Ni plus chai plus ya. Here also ayadeshaha nipatitaha. Nichaya. Here instead of chakara, kakara is imposed. That is also one of the nipata vishayas. So instead of chakara, kakara. Nichaya becomes nikaya. So nikaya is the word in vogue in the language in the meaning of nivasa, residence. The fourth word is dhaya. Here the dhatu is dhai. Dudhai dharana poshanayoho iti dhatuhu. Out of that nyat prachayaha. Dha plus nyat. Here also because it is akaranta dhatuhu, it is already acho yat sutrena yat prachayaha vihitaha. So instead of yat, he is going to ordain nyat. So dha plus nyat. Here also dha plus ya. Akarantat yugagamaha. Dhaya plus ya. Dhaya. It becomes dhaya. Here dhaya means samidheni icharthaha. Samidheni ichukte one of the Rigveda mantras, a certain type of Rigveda mantra. But here, actually, even though it is a Samidheni, this Samidheni, even though it refers to certain mantras only, but it is a Rudhi Shabda. For all Rigveda mantras, Samidheni is accepted as a Rudhi word. So, Asamidhenyamapi etad drushyate. For example, in mantra, Dhayaha Shamsati Agnirnetatvam Somakratubhihi iti mantre, atra Asamidhenyamapi etad. Other than Rigveda also, this is ordained there. So, this is generally, Dhaya means Samidheni. Generally, it is Veda mantra. Here, in this particular specified meanings only, these words are kept here. So, other than these meanings, the Nyat Prachaya will not be taken. So, let us, for example, take the first dhatu Ma. Ma plus Yat. Other than this Mana iti ardhe, Ma plus Yat. Atra Id Yati iti sutrena Akar dhatoho akarasya sthane ikaradesho bhavati. So, Ma becomes Mi. Mi plus Ya. Because this is Guna, Ya creates Guna. Mi, Ikara will get Guna. So, Me. Meya. Meya means measurable. Does not mean this particular Manam is not the meaning here. Meyam means measurable. Again, Sampurvaka Ni Dhatuhu Yat Prachyaha Sannaya Haviriti Ardhe at Nipatitam Asti. Other than this meaning, Sampurvaka Ni plus Yat Gunaha Sanneyam Bhavati. Ni gets Ne. Sanneyam. Sanneyam means simply to be carried well. Nipurvaka Chi Dhatuhu Nikaya. Nikaya iti shabdaha Nivasa iti ardhe Nipatitam asit. Tasmin bhinna ardhe Nipurvaka Chi Dhatuhu, it gets Yat Prachayaha Gunaha Che plus Ya Nicheyam. Nicheyam means it is fit to be selected icharthaha. Dha Dhatuhu, other than the meaning specified earlier, Dha gets Yat. Dha plus Yat. Id Yati iti sutrena akarasya sthane ikaradeshaha Dhiya. Tasmad Gunaha. Dhi becomes De. Dheyaha. Fit to be placed. Fit to be nourished. Icharthaha. Now, we will go to the next sutra. 3.1.130. Kratau Kundapaya Sanchayau. This is also Nipata Sutram. Kratau. Kratu ityardhe. Kratos nama. A particular Kratu is named. Kundapaya and Sanchaya. Kundapaya Kratuhu, Sanchaya Kratuhu iti. Kratus are named by that words. Kundapaya Sanchayau. Kratau ityardhe. Kratau abhidheye. Kratunam namni nipatyante Kundapaya Sanchaya iti shabdau. Kratu means yajna, a religious sacrifice. Atra Kunda shabde tutiyante upapade Kundapaya. This is Kunda is upapadam. Pa is Pane iti dhatuhu. The other thing is Prachayaha. So Kunda is upapadam here. Kunda shabde tutiyante upapade. That means Kundena iti upapade. Pibater dhatoho adhikaranardhe yat prachayo bhavati. Nipatita vishayaha atra. Pibater dhatoho adhikaranardhe yat prachayo bhavati. Kunda shabde upapade. Kundena piyate asmin somarasaha. Ityardhe. Kundena piyate asmin. Asmin iti adhikaranardha. Kundena piyate. Kunda shabdaha upapadam. Pa dhatuhu. Piyate iti karmani. Kunda plus pa. तस्मात् यत् प्रत्ययः कुंड प्लस पा प्लस या कुंड आकारान्तात् युगागमः कुंडपाय्य प्लस या कुंडपाय्य इति शब्दः भवति. कुंडपाय्य it is the name of a particular kratu. अत्र पूर्वं न्यत् is there. In the earlier sutra न्यत् is used. न्यत् त्यक्त्वा अत्र यत् निपात्यते. किमर्थं? तस्य स्वरार्थं. यतो अनावः इति यत् प्रत्ययान्त स्वरः यथा भवेत् तत्र तत् स्वरप्राप्त्यर्थम् एतद् यत् निपातितं here. The next word is संचाय्य शब्दः. संपूर्वक चयने इति धातुः. सं प्लस ची न्यत् निपात्यते. सं प्लस ची प्लस न्यत्. Here as before chi gets वृद्धि. सं चै प्लस या. अत्र आयादेशो अपि निपात्यते. संचाय्य संचाय्य प्लस या संचाय्य. संचाय्यः it is the क्रतुस् नाम. संचाय्यः क्रतुः. अत्रापि निपातस्य प्रयोजनं स्वरितं निवार्य आद्युदात्वं यथा भवेत् तद् अत्र निपातितम्. If it is not the name for a kratu, this nipatanam is not there. कुंडेन पीयते इत्यर्थे पाधातोः अनप्रत्ययः युट् प्रत्ययः भवति. कुंडपानम्. This is not the name of a kratu. कुंडपानम् means कुंडेन पीयते. एवं संपूर्वक ची धातुः. If it is yat pratyaya is nipatitam is used here, it becomes sancheyah. Sancheyah, this is not the name of a kratu, it is a general word. Sancheya means samyak cheyam. It is to be selected properly. Now we will go to the next sutra. Agnau parichayopachaya samuhyaha. This also refers to the yajna. Agnihi. Agni iti namni. Parichaya upachaya samuhya iti shabdaha nipatyante. Tasmin arthe agnau abhidheye. To name a particular type of agni in yajna, these three words are used. Parichaya, upachaya, samuhyaha. Parichaya and upachaya, both these words emanate from chi dhatuhu. Paripurvaka chi, chi chayane. Paripurvaka chi dhatoho nyat. Pari chi plus nyat. Ruddhi. Pari chai plus ya. Atrapi ayadeshaha nipatyate. Parichaya. It becomes parichaya. Parichayaha kaschit agni visheshaha. Upapurvaka chi dhatuhu. Upa plus chi plus nyat. Upa chai plus ya. Ayadeshaha nipatitaha. Upachaya. Upachaya is also a type of agni. Sampurvaka vaha dhatuhu. Samuhya iti shabdaha. Sampurvaka vaha dhatuhu. Vaha prapane iti dhatuhu. Tasmad dhatoho संप्रसारणम अपि भवति. दीर्घत्वञ्च निपात्यते. सम प्लस वह प्लस न्यत् इति स्थिते actually this nyat pratyaya will not create samprasaranam as per the ordained principle. But here this samprasaranam also is one of the nipatana vishayas. Sampurvaka vah plus nyat samprasaranam nipatitam. Vah becomes vakarasya sthane ukarah. Sam plus या. अत्र दीर्घः अपि निपातितः. सम प्लस उ becomes उ. समूह्य इति शब्दः. समूह्यः means that is also one type of agni. That is, all these three words, they are actually this nipata shabdaः. तेषां प्रवृत्तिः होमकुण्डे कुण्डानां निर्माणाय अत्र इष्टिका रचना. How the bricks are to be placed to prepare the separate several kinds of Agni Kundas. So those Ishtika Nirmana Vishayaha ete Parichaya, Upachaya, Samuhya. That is how the Ishtikas are to be placed there on the Yajna Vedi. Agnaviti Kim, if this Agni Vishaya is not there, in the ordinary language, Paripurvaka Chi Dhatoho Acho Yattiti Yapracheha Bhavati Pari Chi plus Ya Gunaha Paricheyam Upa Chi plus Ya Gunaha Upacheyam Sam plus Vah plus Ya Atra Samvahyam iti bhavati. Atra Nyat Upajyate Vaha iti dhatuhu Halant dhatuhu Ruhalor Nyatiti Nyat, it will get Nyat. So that is why here Vruddhi Vaha becomes Vaha. Samvaha plus Yam. Samvakyam. Next sutra. Chityagni Chityecha. Chityagni Chityecha. Agnau iti Purva Sutrat Anuvartate. Chitya Agni Chitya iti Dvau Shabdau atra. Chitya Shabdaha Agni Chitya Shabdaha. Both are these things are Nipatitam to mean Agni Visheshaha. Homa Veda Nirmana Vishaye Agni Visheshaha. Chiye Chayane Bhavardhe Yakara Prachaya. Actually this Yakara Prachaya Nyattu Yattu iti Yakara Prachaya Karmani Bhavecha Nipatite Atra Bhavardhe Nipatitam. Bhavardhe Yakara Prachaya on Chi Dhatuhu. Chi plus Ya. Here this is a Chi is Raswaha. So Tukkapi Nipachyate Atra. Raswasya Piti Kruti Tukkiti Tuk Nipachyate. Chi plus T plus Ya. Chitya. This is also one Agni Vishesha. Agni Chitya. Agni iti upapade Agni Upapadam Chi Dhatuhu Ya Prachayaha. Agni Chitya Bhavati. Agni Chayanam Ityarthaha. Nipatana Prayojanam atra Antodatta Swara Prapchartham. Etad Agni Visheshe eva Chitya Agni Chitya Shabdau Nipatyete. Agni Bhinna Ardhe Chi gets Ya Prachayaha, Yat Prachayaha, Cheyam. That is a different meaning. Cheyam means fit to be selected. Now we have finished the Kritya Prachaya Prakaranam. Now we are entering Krut Prachaya Prakaranam with 3.1.133 principle. Nul Truchau iti Prathamam Sutram. Nul Truchau Dhatoho iti Anuvartate. Nul Prachayaha Truchi Prachayaha Dhatoho Sambadhyante. Nul Prachayaha Truchi Prachayaha ete Krit Prachayau. So this Krit Prachayas Kartari Krit iti Sutrena, they are generally in the meaning of Kartruvachakartha. That is, suppose a particular dhatu is given Krut Prachaya, that means the whatever action is proposed in the dhatu, the person who does that action, that means that Krut Prachaya means the person who does the action proposed in the dhatu. Nul Prachayaha. Here Nakaraha It. Lakaraha Swararthaha. Vu Sishyate. Vu gets Aka iti Adesha. Yuvor Anakau iti Adesha Vidhana Sutrena. Vu gets Aka Adesha. So Nul practically means Aka. The Prachaya is substituted by Aka. Truch. Atra Chakaraha api. Truch takes Trun as well as Truch. For both this is intended here. Truchi, Chakaraha Itu Bhavati, Nakaraha Itu Bhavati, Tru Sishyate. This is also in Kartrartha. Atra, what is the difference between truch and trun? This truchi refers to both truch and trun, but there is slight difference is there. Truchi means generally in kartartha, trun kinchit vishesartha vartate. The person who does the action, he does it in his natural process. Tachhilam uchite. That means he is not doing that because of the ordainment in some shastra or somebody poking him to do it, but he does it in his natural duty, as a natural duty. So tachhila artha, tachhila tadharma. He does that action proposed in the dhatu as per his duty, because shastra vidhi anusrutya karyam karoti, tadharmam iti, tat sadhukari iti. Sadhukari chukte, he wants to do some welfare to the other persons. That is why he is doing that action. So in these three ardhas, three different meanings, that is tachhila ardha, tadharmartha, tat sadhukarishu iti ardheshu, etat trun pratyayah kinchit visheshena atra pratyayasya vidhanam bhavati. So here nul we will take first. Nul means aka. Sarvebhyah dhatubhyah nul pratyayah truch pratyayah bhavanti eva. Any dhatu we can take. For example, you will take kru dhatuhu. Rikaranta kru, dukri karane iti dhatu pataha. Kru plus nul, aka. This nul, it has got the effect of creating vruddhi in the dhatu. So here kru dhatu gets vruddhi. Rikara gets ar adesha. So kru becomes kar. Kar plus aka. Karakaha. The meaning of karakaha is yah karoti saha karakaha. Hiru dhatuhu. Hiru harani. Hiru plus aka. Vruddhi. Harakaha. Yaha harati saha. Then truch pratyayah. Kru dhatuhu. Kru plus truch or trun. Gunaha. Kru becomes kar. Kartru. Kartru is the pratipadikam after tru vidhanam. Then on kartru pratipadikam prathama vibhakti ekavachanam karta bhavati. Karta, the person who does. Huru plus truch. Hartru iti pratipadikam. Harta iti prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. Harta, hartarau, hartaraha. Then we will go to the next sutra. Nandi grahi pachadibhyo lyu nini achaha. Lyu nini achaha iti sandhi yuktam uktam. If you divide the sandhi, Nandi grahi pachadibhyaha lyu nini achaha. So these three are pratyayas. Lyu iti pratyayah, nini iti pratyayah, ach iti pratyayah. These pratyayas are imposed upon Nandi grahi pachadibhyaha. So this adi shabdaha pratyekam sambadhyate. Nandi icyanena, grah icyanena, pach icyanena. And Nandiyadibhyaha lyu pratyayo bhavati, grahyadibhyaha nini pratyayo bhavati, pachadibhyaha ach pratyaya bhavati yatha sangyam. Now tribhyah dhatu ganebhyah trayah pratyayah yatha sankyam bhavanti. This actually, these dhatus, they are not taken from the dhatu patha. They are not taken as upaganas of dhatu patha, but from pratipadika ganas we have taken this. For example, Nandana Ramana iti evamadishu pratipadika ganaha vartate. Tasmat upodhrutya atra etani pratyayani, ete pratyayaha atra nibaddhaha. So Nandi we will now take up. This is in a Vartika Rupa. Nandi, Vasi, Madi, Dushi, Sadhi, Vardhi, Shobhi, Rochibhyaha, ण्यन्तेभ्यः संज्ञायाम्. So this Nandyadi Ganaha that contains Nandi Dhatuhu, Vasi, Madi, Dushi, Sadhi, Vardhi, Shobhi, Rochibhyaha. Actually, these dhatus are taken not with mere dhatus but with Nyat Prachayaha. Nyat Prachayaha means Hetumat Nichiti. Suppose somebody is doing some action because he is propelled by somebody else. In that artha, these dhatus are used here. That is why ikara is used here. Nandi, Vasi, Madi, Dushi. This ikara, actually this is out of nich prachayaha. Nijanta dhatavaha atra uktaha. Nanda iti dhatuhu. Etebhyaha dhatubhyaha yantebhyaha sanyayam visaye lyu iti prachayaha vidhiyate. Sanyayam visaya means the resultant word after using the prachaya, that is the name of a particular person. For example, Nand dhatu will take. Tu nadi samruddhau iti dhatu pataha. Nadi idito num dhatoho iti sutrena atra numagamo bhavati. Nadi becomes a Nand. That means samruddhau means to be happy, to grow, etc. So, Nand dhatoho nich prachayaha nijantebhyaha lyu prachayaha. So, Nand plus nich plus lyu. Nandi plus lyu. Nich means e. Nand plus e. Nandi. Nandi plus lyu. Lyu means lakaraha ittu bhavati, yu anadesho bhavati. Yuvor anakau iti adesha sutrena yu ityasya anadeshaha. Nand plus ana. Nandi plus ana. Atra ishtavat nitvat nau ishtavat karyani bhavanti iti atra ikaraha lupyate. Nand sishyate. Nand plus ana. Nandana. Nandana is the word formed. Nandana means son. It is not a word used for everybody. It is manufactured to mean he makes one happy. Pitrun nandayati iti nandanaha. He makes the parents happy. In olden times, the birth of a son is a utsava. Because Kanya, Kashtakari Kanya iti uchyate sma. Kashtakari Kanya. The same thing is continuing here nowadays also. We are listening to so many strange things. How they prevent the birth of children. It's unfortunate. So, Nandanaha means he makes the people, he makes his parents very happy. For example, Raghunandanaha, Raghuvamsha, Yadunandanaha Krishnaha, Raghunandanaha Ramaha, Kulanandanaha, Kulam Nandayati, Dasharathanandanaha, Ichadi. The next dhatu is Vashru. Vashru Shabde. Shabde means to make sounds. Here, twittering of birds. Vas plus nich prachayaha. Tasmat lyu prachayaha. Vas plus ana. Vashanaha. One who makes sounds. One who twitters. The bird which twitters. Madi dhatu. Madi praharshe dhatu pataha. Praharshaha means to be intoxicated, to overjoy. Mad dhatoho nijantatvena atra anaprachayaha. Mad plus ana. Madanaha. It is the name of the Manmatha who ignites love between couples. The Cupid who makes people enjoy themselves. Madanaha. So the name of Manmatha. Dusha dhatuhu. Dusha Vaikritye. Vaikritya means to to spoil, to pollute. Dusha plus here ana prachaya. Here dosho nau iti sutrena dusha shabdas upadhayaha utvam bhavati. Ukaraha becomes ukaraha. Dush plus ana. Dush plus ana. Dushanaha. This is the name of a particular Rakshasa, Daman, in Ramayana. Sadha shabdaha. Sadha dhatuhu. Sadha samsiddhav. Samsiddhi means to getting ready. Sadh plus nich plus ana. Sadh ana. Sadhanaha. Sadhanaha means a thing which makes things ready and implement ichartha. Sadhanaha. There sadh is dhatu, ana prachaya. Vrudhu, vruddhav. Vruddhav means to grow, to exceed others. Vrudhu plus ana. Vrudhu plus nich plus ana. Now ishtavat karyani bhavanti. Vrudhu plus ana. Gunaha. Vardha plus ana. Vardhanaha. Vardhanaha means who makes it exceed, who makes it grow. Shubha, Shumbha, Shobhayam. Shobha, Shubha dhatuhu, Shobhayam vartate. Shobha means glittering, shining. Shubha plus Nyat plus ana. Shubha plus ana. Gunaha. Shobh, Shobhanaha. One who makes it glitter, who makes it shine. Rucha Deeptau Abhipreetau cha. Rucha dhatuhu Deeptihi. Deeptihi means shining, glittering. Abhipreetihi means liking. To be pleased in a particular thing. Ruchi plus Nyat plus ana. Ruchi plus ana. Ruchi becomes guna. Roch. Roch plus ana. Rochanaha. A thing which makes it tastiable, lovable, likable. For example, in Ayurveda, Lavanardraka bhakshanam rochanam ityuchyate. Prathama kabalam, in the food, the first morsel of food, if you take with lavana and ardrakam. Ardrakam means, what do you call in English? Ardrakam. Allam. Ginger. Ginger, yes. With lavana and ginger, if you add the first morsel of food and then proceed with the meals, it will be rochanam. Agnidiptakam. Agnidipakam bhavati. Ayurvedam. Another vartikam. Sahi tapi damehe sanyayam. Lyu prachaya. Saha dhatuhu, tap dhatuhu, dam dhatuhu. Sanyayam visaye Lyu prachayo bhavati after these dhatus. Saha marshane. Marshana means to tolerate, to forbear with. Saha plus ana. Sahanaha. Sahana means a thing which makes it tolerate, makes it forbear. Sahanaha. Tapa. Tapa santape. Heating up. Tappu plus ana. Tapanaha. This is particularly used in the case of sun, Surya, Tapanaha. One who makes things hot, like the sun. Dama. Dama dhatuhu, damu upashame, restraining oneself, to win over the indriyas, etc. Dama upashame. Dam plus anaprachayaha. Damanaha. Damanaha means restrainer, controller. The above words are sanya. For example, we say Sarvadamanaha, Bharatasya Nama, Shakuntala's son. Sarvadamanaha. Haridamanaha, he controls the Shatrus. This Vatikam, even though only 3 dhatus are told here, it includes some more Pratipadikas also, with the same, with the dhatus affixed and prachayas affixed lyu, ana. For example, Jalpa dhatuhu. Jalpa vyaktayam vachi. That means to speak. Ordinarily this is used over speaking, jalpanam, chattering. Jalp plus ana, jalpanaha, the person who charters. Ram plus ana, ramu kridayam, ramu plus ana, ramanaha, the person who makes the others pleased. Lakshmi ramanaha, Padmavati ramanaha ichadayah. Darpanaha, drup dhatuhu, drupa harshana mochanayoho iti dhatoho anaprachayanta shabdaha. Darpanaha means a mirror. Darpanam means a thing which makes people pleased. If you see in the mirror, you are pleased with yourself. Any dirty person, any kurupi will appreciate his own shape after seeing in the darpana. So darpana means a thing which makes people pleased. Sankrandanaha, krand dhatoho anaprachayah, krandanaha. Kradi ahvane rodanecha. Krad means bawling out or weeping. Sankrandanaha, the person who makes the others shout at or weep. This is used as an adjective to Vishnu because he makes sinners cry out. Sankrandanaha. Sankarshanaha, krishadhatuhu, krusha vilekhane, drawing, dragging, pulling, to attract. Sankarshanaha, this is also a sampurvaka krishadhatoho anaprachayah. Krish gets guna, karsh, sankarshanaha. One, this is also used as an adjective to Vishnu. Samharshanaha, hrisha alike, to speak falsehood. Sampurvaka hrisha plus ana, samharshanaha. Janardanaha, ardha dhatuhu, ardha himsayam. Jana iti rakshasaha, janam ardha additavan icharthe, he has killed one rakshasa named Jana. So he is called, Vishnu is called Janardanaha. There ardha dhatu gets anaprachayah. Yu dhatuhu, yu mishrane iti dhatuhu, yu gets liu prachayah, yu plus ana. Yu becomes guna, yo plus ana, yavanaha. Previously this yavana is used to indicate Greeks or any foreigner. Yavanaha, Greek. When Greeks attacked India, they are called Yavana, foreigner. But now the word is applied to Mohammedans and any other Europeans also. Then Madhusudanaha, Madhu iti upapadam, Suda, Suda charane, Madhum Sudayati iti Madhusudanaha. Here also Vishnu's name. Vibhishanaha, Vipurvaka bhish dhatu, bhi bhaye. Bhish means to make others fear. Be actually getting feared. Making others means bhish. Vipurvaka bhish plus ana. Vibhishanaha. Vibhishanaha means saha hetu bhayam bhavati sarvesham iti. Ravana's brother. Lavanaha iti shabdaha. Atrapi lu chedane iti dhatoho lu prachayah. Lu plus ana. Lu becomes lo. Lo plus ana. Avadeshaha lavanaha. Nakaraha atra nipatitam. Actually should be lavanaha only. Tatha dadha na only. But nakara instead of nakara, nakara is nipatitam here. Lavanaha. Lavanaha means salt. Vitta. Vitta vinashanaha iti word. Vittam vinashayati. He spoils the money. Squanders away the money. Vitta vinashanaha ityarthaha. Atra nasidhatuhu. Nasidhatoho, nasya means adarshane. Nashtam karoti ityarthaha. Nashanaha. Vinashanaha. Vitta vinashanaha. Vinash vipurvaka nasidhatoho anaprachayah. Kula damanaha iti another word. Dam dhatoho anaprachayah. Kulam damayati ityarthe. Shatru damanaha. Shatrum damayati. Graha upadane iti dhatoho. Now we will go to the next gana. Grahyadi gana. Grahyadi ganebhyaha dhatubhyaha nini prachayo bhavati. Nini means this nakara also is it. So actually Nini, the ending ikara also is only for ucharanartha. So Nini, it has got the remaining word is only in. Nakara goes, ikara goes, in. So actually this Nini is nothing but in. Grahyadibhyaha dhatubhyaha in iti prachayah bhavati. Now we will take some examples. Graha upadane. Upadana means swikaranam, to take. Graha plus nini. Graha plus in. This graha, this in prachayaha, it creates vruddhi. Graha gets graha. Ata upadhayaha iti akarasya vruddhihi. Graha. Graha plus in. Grahin bhavati. So nakaranta pratipadikaha grahin shabdaha prathama vibhakti ekavachane grahi bhavati. Grahi grahinau grahinaha. Utsaha uddpurvaka saha dhatuhu saha marshane. When you enjoy in ut upasarga, this saha gets a different meaning. That means enthusiastic. Utsaha. Utsaha. He becomes enthusiastic. Utsaha plus nini prachayaha. Vruddhi. Utsaha plus in. Utsahin. Nakaranta utsahin shabdaha. Prathama vibhakti ekavachane utsahi bhavati. Utsahi ekavachanam. Utsahinau utsahinaha. Vasadhatuhu. Uddpurvaka vasadhatuhu. Vasa nivase. Ud plus va, vas plus ninihi. Ud plus vas plus in. Vruddhi. Ud plus vas plus in. Udvasin. Udvasin actually means a person who is boycotted from a village, sent away from a village for some mistake committed by him. Udvasi, nirvasitaha ichartha, displaced person. Udvasin shabdaha, prathama vibhakti ekavachanam udvasi. Udbhasi, uddpurvaka bhasa dhatuhu, bhasa bhatsana deeptiyoho. Udbhasi, a person who is shining. Udbhasi, udbhasin shabdaha, prathama vibhakti ekavachane udbhasi. Stha gati nivruttau, tasmad dhatoho in prachayaha. Stha plus in. Atra akaranta dhatuhu ato yuk chin krutoho iti sutrena atra yugagamo bhavati. Stha plus y. Sthay plus in. Sthayin. Sthayin means a person who remains in a particular place. Sthayin nakaranta pratipadika shabdaha. Prathama vibhakti ekavachane sthayi. Sthayi, sthayinau, sthayinaha. A person who remains at one place fixedly. Another dhatu, mantra dhatuhu. These are all the dhatus in Grahyaadi Ganaha. Mantra dhatuhu. Mantra means Gupta Bhashanam. Gupta Bhashanam means consulting with some secrecy. Raja, Mantri Padavi, it is only for consultation in secret matters. Mantra Gupta Bhashane, out of that Mantri has come. How? Mantra plus nini prachayaha. Mantra plus in. Mantrin. Here guna will not come because the upadha is nakara. Mantra plus in. Mantrin. So nakaranta mantrin shabdaha. So mantri, it becomes prathama vibhakti ekavachanam mantri. Mantri, mantrinau, mantrinaha. Actually, mantri shabdaha, nakaranta shabdaha, prathama vibhaktau ikaro bhavati, mantri bhavati. We should not say mantri. Mantrihi, we should not say. Mantri. Mantri. Gupta bhashanam karoti. A close confidant, like a minister. Sampurvaka mruda. Mruda dhatuhu. Sam plus mrud. Mrud means chode ichartha. Chode means churna karanam. Sam plus mrud plus nini prachayaha. Atra mrud this is not igantam, so this gets guna only. Sammard, sammard plus in, sammardin, nakaranta shabdaha. Sammardi, a person who pressurizes is called sammardi. Another vartikam, raksha, shru, vasa, vapa, sham, nau, iti vartikam. These are all the dhatus. Raksha dhatuhu, shru dhatuhu, vas dhatuhu, vap dhatuhu, sha. This is actually sho. Dhatuhu is sho. It gets akara. Adecha upadeshe asiti sutrena. It gets akara. So sho becomes sha. The meanings of these dhatus are raksha rakshane, raksha palane, shru shravane, vasa nivase, vapa bija tantu santane, sho tanukarane. तस्मात् एतेभ्यः धातुभ्यः निपूर्वक एतेभ्यः धातुभ्यः एतद् निनि प्रत्ययो भवति. सो निपूर्वक रक्ष, निपूर्वक श्रु इत्यादि. निपूर्वक रक्ष धातोः निनि प्रत्यये कृते निरक्षिन् भवति. निरक्ष प्लस इन. Here also the upadha is kakara, so this will not get वृद्धि. निरक्षिन्. निरक्षिन् नकारांत शब्दः. प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं निरक्षि. निरक्षि, निरक्षिणौ, निरक्षिणः. निरक्षि मीन्स ही प्रोटेक्ट्स वेल इत्यर्थ. अर्थात नि उपसर्गः वेल इत्यर्थे भवति. निश्रावी, निपूर्वक श्रु धातुः. श्रु इज श्रवणे, टू हियर. नि प्लस श्रु प्लस निनि. श्रु बिकम्स श्रौ, गेट्स वृद्धि. नि श्रौ प्लस इन, आवादेशः. निश्राविन् नकारांत शब्दः. निश्रावी इति प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं. निश्रावी, निश्राविणौ, निश्राविणः. निपूर्वक वस धातुः. वस निवासे, रिसाइड. निपूर्वक वस प्लस निनि प्रत्ययः वृद्धिः. निवास प्लस इन, निवासिन्. निवासिन् मीन्स हू dwells, रेसिडेंट. निवासिन् नकारांत प्रातिपदिकम. प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचने निवासी. निवासी, निवासिनौ, निवासिनः. निपूर्वक वप धातुः. वप मीन्स बीज तंतु संतानम, प्लांटिंग, प्लांटिंग ए सीड. नि प्लस वप धातुः प्लस निनि प्रत्ययः वृद्धिः. निवाप प्लस इन, निवापिन्. निवापी भवति प्रथमा विभक्तौ एकवचने. निवापी, निवापिनौ, निवापिनः. निवापिनी, निवापी इत्युक्ते प्लांटर. निपूर्वक शो तनूकरणे. निपूर्वक शा. निपूर्वक शा प्लस निनि प्रत्ययः. नि शा प्लस इन. अत्र नि प्लस शायि प्लस इन भवति. निशायिन् नकारांत प्रातिपदिकम. निशायी इति प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचने. निशायी मीन्स a person who sharpens certain thing. Sho tanukarane, sharpening. A person who sharpens well. Another vartikam, yachi, vyakru, samvyakru, vraja, vrada, vasam, pratisiddhanam. Iti vartikam. Ete dhatavah pratisiddhanam ardhe tesam इन निनि प्रत्ययो भवति. याचि, याचि याचनायाम, टू बेग. व्याहृ, व्याहृ व्यवहरणे. संव्यहृ तदापि व्यवहरणम. व्रज टू गतौ, वज गतौ टू गो. वद व्यक्तायाम वाचि, टू स्पीक. वस निवासे. एतेभ्यः धातुभ्यः निनि प्रत्ययो भवति प्रतिषिद्धानाम अर्थे. That means with nai pratyayah before. That is nai becomes a. That means the person who begs is yachi. The person who does not beg is ayachi. Apurvaka yach dhatoh, yachi dhatoh, nini pratyayah. Ayachin bhavati. Nakaranto. Ayachi iti bhavati prathama vibhaktau. एवं व्याहृ अव्याहारी नकारान्तः, संव्यहृ असंव्याहारी व्रज धातुः टू गो डज नॉट गो इत्यर्थे न व्रज अव्रज अव्राजी द पर्सन हु डज नॉट गो अवादी द पर्सन हु डज नॉट स्पीक अवासी द पर्सन हु डज नॉट रिसाइड इति एतेषु अर्थेषु याचि व्याकृ संव्याकृ व्रज वद वसा प्रतिषिद्धानाम् इत्यर्थे निनि प्रत्ययः. So with this vartikam, another 2 or 3 vartikams are there in the sutra. We'll take them up in the next class. Now we'll come to our refrain with Shanti mantra. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ओम शांति शांति शांति.